tell you a bad thing to attempt to do is to get them out yourself unless you have and know how to use the proper tools. Otherwise, what you will do is damage the weather stripping, dent the door frame, dent the door itself, scratch your paint. But that weather stripping is extremely important. And when you damage it, what's going to happen, you'll be driving down the road and you will hear wind noise coming through the crack in your door. Also, when it rains or you go through a car wash, you will find water entering the vehicle, and now you have major, major problems. Not to mention, aesthetically, you're probably going to cause some damage. So I would strongly recommend not to attempt to do it yourself. We have seen some absolutely horrifying things where people use sticks and pry bars and rocks to try to hold the door open. And there's just so much damage when they're done. They cause literally hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of damage, where a locksmith or any roadside service company could open the vehicle for very little money. We charge $79 here in San Diego to unlock any car. We can open any car in 15 seconds with no damage, and it's very cheap as opposed to trying to do it yourself. So I would recommend you call an automotive locksmith or a roadside service company.